Do you ever get annoyed by pants drawstrings that keep slipping loose, coming undone, or tangling up in the wash? Today, I'm sharing 3 simple, clever ways to tie your drawstrings so they stay perfectly secure all day long. These methods are super easy to tie. They stay nice and tight while you're wearing them, but they're still effortless to untie whenever you need to. Let's get started. For our first method, grab a pencil. Take one end of your drawstring and wrap it around the pencil 4 or 5 times, nice and snug. Then tuck the end of that string back through the loops you just created, pulling it through carefully so it holds in place. Now repeat this exact same process on the other side of the drawstring, wrapping it around the pencil the same number of times and tucking it through in the same way. Once both sides are wrapped and ready, gently slide the pencil back out. You should be left with 2 neat little loops, one on each side. Now, take the loose end coming from the right side and feed it through the loop on the left. Then do the same thing in reverse. Take the left end and feed it through the loop on the right. Once both ends are threaded through, gently pull them to tighten everything up. And there you have it, a secure, neat-looking knot that won't budge. Slip or come undone throughout the day, but is still simple enough to untie whenever you're ready to change. The second method is a personal favorite of mine because it's just so quick to do. Start by creating a loop on the right side that looks like the number 6. Then pull the end through the center of that loop. Do the exact same thing on the left side, so you end up with a loop on each side of the drawstring. Now take the end of the right string and pass it through the loop on the left, and then do the reverse. Take the left string and pass it through the loop on the right. Tighten them carefully, and that's it. You're done. Here's the best part. When it's time to take your pants off, these loops naturally expand, and they pull right back into place the moment you put them on again. It's also perfect for laundry day, since it keeps your strings from tangling up with everything else in the wash. Finally, let's try a decorative woven knot. This one actually looks like a professional buckle once it's finished. Start by forming a 6 shape with your right string, letting it overlap the left one. Then take the left string and loop it over, under, and through the opening you just created. Keep weaving it through carefully, and you'll start to see this really beautiful, intricate pattern coming together. Once you've woven it through, pull it snug to tighten everything up. You can also adjust the height at this point, so it sits perfectly right against your waistband, exactly where you want it. This little knot adds such a polished, put-together look to your pants. It almost looks like a store-bought accessory, rather than something you tied yourself. And just like the other 2 methods, it stays completely tight and secure until you're actually ready to take your pants off. So there you have it. 3 simple, reliable ways to keep your drawstrings exactly where they belong. I really hope these tips make your everyday life just a little bit easier. And if you found them helpful, don't forget to share them with a friend who could use them too.